Welcome to our guide on how to use your Apple Watch for health and fitness. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting your health journey, your Apple Watch is a powerful tool to help you stay on track. First, let's get familiar with the Activity app. This is where you'll track your daily activity goals: move, exercise, and stand. The Move ring shows how many active calories you've burned. The Exercise ring tracks your brisk activity, and the Stand ring monitors how often you've stood up and moved for at least 1 minute each hour. Set your personal goals by opening the Activity app, scrolling down, and tapping Change Goals. Adjust your move, exercise, and stand goals to fit your lifestyle. Next, let's explore the Workout app. Open the app and select the type of workout you're about to do, whether it's running, cycling, swimming, or even yoga. The Apple Watch tracks your heart rate, distance, and calories burned, providing real-time feedback during your workout. You can also set specific goals for your workouts, like distance, time, or calories. During your workout, you can swipe right to pause, lock the screen, or end the workout. Your workout data syncs with the Activity app, so you can see how it contributes to your daily goals. Your heart rate is a key indicator of fitness. The Heart Rate app measures your heart rate throughout the day, during workouts, and even while you're resting. Just open the app to see your current heart rate, resting heart rate, and walking average. Monitoring your sleep is also essential. With watchOS 7 and later, you can track your sleep directly on your Apple Watch. Set up your sleep schedule in the Health app on your iPhone, and your watch will help you establish a bedtime routine and monitor your sleep patterns. Don't forget about mindfulness. The Breathe app guides you through deep breathing exercises to help reduce stress and improve focus. Just set a time, start the session, and follow the on-screen instructions. If you have an Apple Watch Series 6 or later, you can use the Blood Oxygen app. It measures the oxygen level in your blood, which is an important indicator of your overall wellness. And for those with Apple Watch Series 4 or later, the ECG app lets you take an electrocardiogram right from your wrist. This can provide critical data about your heart rhythm and help detect irregularities. All your health and fitness data syncs with the Health app on your iPhone. Here, you can view detailed summaries, track trends over time, and share information with your healthcare provider if needed. Your Apple Watch is more than just a smartwatch, it's a comprehensive health and fitness companion. So, get moving, stay active, and make the most of your Apple Watch on your journey to a healthier you.